Rise and shine, ladies. This is Drill Sergeant Cross, ordering your sorry butt to enlist in the Restoration CrossCheck RIA Preconvention Strategic Strikes Bootcamp in Dallas, Texas on 8 April 2024. You say you have the will to bring your restoration business to the next level, but do you have the power? This is not a game, cupcake. Stop picking fly shit out of pepper. The bootcamp trains you to identify high-value targets and arms you with the power to take them down. Custom pricing, adjuster relations and negotiations, collections, AOBs, client control, and more. Restoration CrossCheck is an elite squadron of restoration masters, fresh from the field with recent experience in the muck, running successful restoration companies. We will turn you into lean, mean restoration machines. Your drill instructors have proven track records working in the trenches, solving the problems you face every day. Pricing guru Anthony Nelson, insurance master Jeff Taxier, the Sultan of Strategy Mark Pasculi, collections czarina Angela Byramai, the Queen of Client Control Norma Valley, and me, your drill instructor. I am hard, I am mean, you will not like me, but I will whip your sorry fanny into shape so you get paid. You think you've got what it takes to elevate your restoration business? Well, do you, Buttercup? This full-day gauntlet is not for little boys. If you can toe the line, you'll earn 6 IICRC continuing education credits. That's 8 April 2024 at 0900. The bootcamp is not included in your RIA convention registration. Add it to your registration by logging on to your account using the link in your registration confirmation email you received from meetings at restorationindustry.org. If you haven't registered for the convention, don't be a maggot. Enlist now at restorationcrosscheck.com/bootcamp. You'll leave with nothing but muscle. Do I make myself clear, little orphan Annie, or do I have to spell it out for you in crayon?